How to add full videos on Tinder. Thinking of showing off your personality with a video on Tinder? Let's talk about how to add videos to your Tinder profile and what the limits really are. So let's open Tinder app. Here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on complete profile. This opens your profile. Now here you can see the photos you have added. Let me delete one so that I can add new video. Now in order to add a video, tap on this plus icon to add a media. Here you can see photo selector and upload from library. You can tap on upload from library. Now we just select the videos from your camera roll. As you can see, you can select photos and videos. Tap on videos and select the video from your gallery. Now just you can trim or crop it like this. Now you can choose if you want to keep it in loop or not by tapping in here. Okay, once you tap it, you can just tap on preview loop, and once you are done, tap on add to profile, and your video will appear in your media with your photos right here. And that's it. That's how you add a video on Tinder. If this helped, like, subscribe and drop a comment. What kind of video would you upload to your profile? Thank you for watching.